Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making this tiny coin purse. It's my first time trying this style. Come join me. Let's start by making the top section. Start by cutting the fishing line. Insert the right fishing line into the first hole of the clasp and insert the left fishing line into the third hole. Using the right fishing line, add 3 beads. On the last bead, create a loop by inserting the right line back through the last bead. Insert the left fishing line through the loop. And gently pull both lines in opposite directions while guiding the beads closer to the clasp. Once the beads are locked and tightened, guide the left fishing line back into the same hole where the last bead is positioned. Next, using the left fishing line, skip one hole and insert it to the next hole. Using the right fishing line, add 2 beads. Create a loop on the last bead and insert the left fishing line to the loop and lock it. Continue this process until you reach the last set of beads for the first row. For the final set, instead of adding beads on the right fishing line, add 2 beads on the left fishing line. Create a loop on the last bead and insert the right fishing line through the loop to lock it. Add 3 beads on the left fishing line. On the last bead, create a loop. Insert the right fishing line through the loop and lock it while gently bending inwards. We begin the transition on this set of beads. Insert the right fishing line to the 2 beads on the right. Using the left line, add 1 bead, create a loop, insert the right line through the loop and lock. To continue, insert the right fishing line through 1 bead on the right. Using the left line, add 2 beads, create a loop and lock with the right line. Insert the right line to 1 bead on the right. Add 2 beads on the left line, create a loop and lock with the right line. At this point, we will do the transition by inserting the right fishing line to 2 beads on the right. Add 1 bead to the left fishing line, create a loop, and lock with the right line. Insert the right fishing line to the bead on the right. Using the right fishing line, add 2 beads, create a loop and lock with the left fishing line. Insert the left fishing line to 1 bead on the left. Using the right fishing line, add 2 beads, create a loop and lock with the left fishing line. Insert the left fishing line through the 2 beads on the left. Using the right fishing line, add one bead, create a loop and lock with the left fishing line. In the meantime, we're going to work on the other side of the clasp to start building the body of the purse. The pattern is pretty much the same all the way through, so it can feel a bit repetitive, but you'll get used to it as you go along. To build the length of the purse, we'll continue with the same pattern all the way through. Once you're happy with the length, that's when we'll move on to the next step. Since my line is short, I'm adding a new line. I just unlock the last set of beads and insert the new line. Make sure the new lines are equal in length. Once the new line has been inserted, lock the old lines to secure it. Insert 3 beads on both the new and old lines on the right. Create a loop using the new line on the right. Leave the old line aside for now. Insert the new left line through the loop. Insert the old left line to the last bead. Pull the new lines in the opposite directions to secure the bead and do the same with the old lines. Continue by inserting the old and new left lines through the left bead. Add 2 beads on both right lines. Create a loop using the new right line. Insert the new left line through the loop. Insert the old left line directly to the last bead. Now gently pull the new lines in the opposite directions to lock and secure the beads in place. Do the same with the old lines. Repeat the same process until you feel that the new line is secured. Then you can cut the old lines. Just continue with the same pattern until you reach the desired length. At this point, we're going to start transitioning to make the bottom part of the purse. It was the same pattern as creating the top part. Using the left line, add 3 beads, create a loop, and lock with the right line. Insert the right line to the 2 beads on the right. Add 1 bead to the left line, create a loop, and lock with the right line. Insert the right line to the right bead. Add 2 beads on the left line, create a loop, and lock with the right line. Insert the right line to the right bead. Add 2 beads on the left line, create a loop, and lock with the right line. Insert the right line to the 2 beads on the right. Add 1 bead on the left line, create a loop, and lock with the right line. Insert the right line to the last bead on the right. Add 2 beads on the right line, create a loop, and lock with the left line. Insert the left line through the left bead. Add 2 beads to the right line, create a loop, and lock with the left line. Insert the left line through the 2 beads on the left. Add 1 bead on the right line, create a loop, and lock with the left line. At this point, I'm going to add a little more width by repeating the same pattern so the purse looks more balanced. Since this is my first time trying this pattern, I realized it's better to add the rows in one direction so everything stays uniform and looks neat. I started from the middle here, which can be confusing, but I'll show you how I did it. Again, I recommend working in one direction to make it easier. For the sides and the back, I added a total of 8 rows, 2 rows for each side and 4 rows for the back. At this point, I am just connecting the last beads to complete the sides and back, and then we'll move on to finishing the bottom part. Now we've reached the bottom part, and this is where you can really see why working in one direction matters. Since I started from the middle, one section was left behind, so I had to connect it separately. This was the section that was left out, so I'm just connecting it separately using another line. So, to avoid this, I recommend building the rows in one direction from the start. Now that we've completed the bottom part of the purse, we'll continue with the top and connect it to the body. I'll be adding a few more rows so the width matches the body. At this point, I'm adding a new line as the old line is not enough in length, following the same steps I showed earlier. Here I added 2 rows for the top part and 2 to connect it to the body of the purse. Since this side is still open, I'm adding 2 more sets of beads to close it. For excess lines, you can tuck it into the nearby beads to keep it secure. If the holes are too narrow, you can simply tie it. This side is done. Now we are going to finish the other side and fill in any gaps. And there you have it, our cute coin purse is complete. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.